Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you some key database concept differences between a relational database management system and MongoDB. In a relational database management system, you have tables. The equivalent of that in MongoDB is called collection. With relational database management system, the tables have columns. In MongoDB, the collections have a key. In both relational database management system and MongoDB, a value is also referred to as a value. In relational database management system, a record or row. In MongoDB, the equivalent is a document or an object. In MongoDB, the document is the unit of storing data in a MongoDB database. So the documents in a MongoDB database are stored in a JSON format. JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation. Just like a database table can have several rows or records, a collection can also store a number of documents. Another key difference between the relational database management system and MongoDB is that with relational database, the data models have to be in schemas. While in MongoDB, the schemas are flexible, so the collections do not enforce document structure. Whereas in relational database management system, the tables have to belong to a schema. MongoDB does not enforce that. So these are some key differences between a normal relational database management system and MongoDB. So in MongoDB, you're going to come across the word collection a lot and document. So you need to know the equivalent in a relational database management system. So when you talk about collection, you're talking about an equivalent of a table. When you talk about rows, you're talking about document or object. So that's it for this brief lecture on the database concepts between a relational database management system and MongoDB. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.